Hi folks, in the previous video at Craft car dealership I show you why I bought this car. This is a project car and of course it's the best thing. We will donate some money for a very good organization. But in this video I will show you what's the negatives, what's the problems with this car, what we're going to fix. The body of the car is in quite good shape, but there are some minor issues, such like the handles over here has a little scratches. The wheels has to be renewed as well, and also in the back seat there is a seat belt which was stuck in the door sometimes, so it will be repainted. Also the rear door and the rear bumper. So as I mentioned, the rear door will be repainted because there are some minor scratches, but a lot also over here in this part, and we have a plastic cover for the rear bumper which is not nice, and once you remove it probably will remove some paint as well, so we have to repaint it. Also the rear lights needs to be renewed, and the door panels, the inside part of this plastic is missing, so we have to get that one. And also from this area, this plastic has been broken, so we have to get it as a new. So these were the main issues optically, but the most important part is the technical area, the engine bay. The engine is a N54, perfect engine, 2.2 liter, straight six, fantastic to drive. In the last 1.5 weeks I drove this car more than 500 kilometers and I loved it. So many times I just switched off the CD player and just listened to the engine and the gearbox, how it works. Suspensions we will change, the steering system we will change, and of course some bearings top on the suspensions, and basically nothing else. 284,000 kilometers in this engine and it's still running perfectly smoothly, nicely. So, and of course we will clean the bay area, the engine bay area, and everything will be just fine and will be ready for the new owner. Maybe it's you who can drive this car in classic style in 2025. I also need to get new rubber here to fix the stuff in the trunk. I have only one. Also here is the safety triangle missing, some screwdrivers and other parts, so we need to fix this to make for the new owner very factory made or very new one, the car like a new. So yeah, that's important for me because, you know, the side step in the rear doors, the rubber is getting old, so we need to get 2 new of them as well. The interior needs a deep cleaning, needs to fix the cigarette issue on the rear seat and the leather on the steering wheel. The stitch is gone or broken, so it needs a new leather on it after 284,000 kilometers. That's basically a normal. Any other issue, there is none. Absolutely beautiful inside. Why I choose the 520i? Because my friend owned this car a long time, more than 7 years, and I knew the history, everything's being fixed in time, and that's important because I'm not a car mechanic and I didn't want to do anything with the body, the rust and so on, because it's a 23 years old car. It has some issues, but once it's been fixed, this will be a very nice car for a very long time. So this is the E39 project in my channel. You can support us through the Patreon to have more projects like this. And you can support and donate also the blood knife, the vérlovagok as well. In the previous video we show a few ways how you can do it in Hungary in the repoint, or you can donate by money transfer. But don't forget the sponsors of this project, the DDC Kft, Comfort Gummiservice Kft, the Ossi Sinter Kft, and the Premium Car Services, who's going to make the ceramic coating on this car. It will be beautiful like a new one. And of course the Craft Car Dealership, where 4 weeks you can check, you can drive this car, and if you like it you can donate or you can bid, and if you are the highest bidder you're gonna win the car and you will have a beautiful E39. If you like this video, push a like button. Share it if you know someone who would follow also this project, who love E39 and these kind of projects. And if you have any experience and maybe you are in a project with E39, share it with the comment section, and I wish you have a nice day. Bye. This project was supported by DDC Ltd, Comfort Gummiservice Ltd, Kedvenc Auto Service, Ossi Sinter Ltd, Craft Auto Car Dealership, Premium Car Services. Thank you.